Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing well. I want to tell you about how to create mockup in Photoshop. How to create a mockup in Photoshop. Find the right photo for your mockup. Open and isolate your images in Photoshop. Add your branding or designs to create the mockup. Customize colors and textures. Export your design. How to make a product mockup in Photoshop, step by step guide. Designing layouts for products is the first step to creating a new product design. However, knowing if the design will look good on the actual product is not easy. This is where knowing how to make our product mockup in Photoshop is critical for your success. I will show you what you need before you create a mockup and how to make a simple mockup on a computer screen. Lastly, I will show you a more advanced mockup by adding a design onto a soda can. The last section gives you the tools you need to create any type of curved mockup. What you need before creating your own mockup. Product mockup are created with high quality product images or computer generated designs. The mockup contains a 3D version of the product for which you have designed the layout. You simply need to place your design into the mockup to see what it will look like in the real life. There are plenty of pre-made mockups that you can find online to place your design onto. You can find t-shirts, screens, billboards, and much more on sites such as Mockup World or Avatar Elements. However, you might not find the exact product or scene you need for your design. Sometimes you may need to use a specific product photo that you captured yourself. As a result, you need to create a product mockup from scratch. Luckily for you, this is simple to make using the tools in Photoshop. Before you design creating your own mockup, you need two elements you cannot make from scratch in Photoshop. Firstly, you need the base design for the product. The base design can be a high quality product photograph or 3D rendition of a product design in Illustrator or a similar illustration program. The base image can be blank t-shirt, cardboard box or computer screen. For example, this image of a can. Secondly, you need your design artwork. Of course, you should create your layout design in design if it's for print purpose or any equivalent design software. For example, this Soul Soda layout I have designed. The mockup and layout design should be in any format compatible with Photoshop, such as a PDF, JPG, or PNG. Finally, you also need this guide to begin creating your own mockup. So let's get started. How to create a simple product mockup in Photoshop. Follow these steps to create a simple product mockup on a flat surface such as a screen mockup. Open your base image and product design in separate tabs. Start by opening up your base image, which is the photo that contains the product itself without the design layout. The base image can be a stock image, a photo you have taken yourself, or a computer rendered 3D scene. For this example, I will use this picture of a workstation with a Mac screen on the desk. Then open up your design layout to place onto the product mockup. Once you open the new file, it opens in a separate tab in Photoshop. For this example, I will use the website layout I have designed for this purpose. Keep the base image tab open and move on the next step. Add a rectangle shaper layer. Create a rectangle shape to mark where your layout design fits onto the screen in the image. To do this, first create a new shape layer. Select the rectangle tool and choose the color for the rectangle by changing the Fill color in the options bar and ensure the stroke is set to transparent. You can select any color or highlight the area where you insert your layout design. The shape color won't be show up in your full final design. Then draw a rectangle over the computer screen. Make sure the shape covers the entire screen. Convert the shape layer to a smart object. You need to convert the shape layer into a smart object to let you insert your design into that spot. Converting the layer also allows you to save the mockup and easily change the screen design at any stage. To convert the layer, right click Win or Control plus click Make on the layer in the Layers panel and select Convert to Smart Object. Check that the layer icon in the thumbnail has changed to indicate that the shape layer is now a smart object. To easily remember where your design should go, you can rename this layer to something like Insert Design here.